Best choice for accurate fairway drives, utility driver, and flex shots. Excellent for pinpoint accuracy or distance, most accurate and reliable driver, preferred fairway driver of 12-time world champion Ken Climo, is suitable for beginners and pros alike. Champion material offers superior durability. Speed 7, glide 5, turn 0 and fade 2. Colors may vary. The Teebird is one of our most accurate and reliable fairway drivers. It has a combination of straight flight, high glide and good speed that make it accurate and long flying both upwind and downwind. It is a popular choice for pros including 12-time world champion and Hall of Famer Ken Climo. The Teebird is very versatile driver, excellent for pinpoint accuracy, distance and sidearm. Top reviews from the United States. Great straight line disc. This low-speed fairway driver is great for straight-line shots. It's slightly overstable, so it will hyzer out at the very end. But you can easily push it 250 to 300 feet with a nice hyzer at the end. It has worked well for me on both forehand and backhand throws. The Champion plastic is solid and doesn't allow any flex in the disc. I typically like Star plastics, but I find the Champion plastic to be a great fit for a low-speed fairway driver.